Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and decorate this back area. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Cozy Fall Mantle, Decorate With Me. Now I don't have a mantle, but I do have this long back shelf and we're going to make this look absolutely gorgeous. So because I realize that not all of us have a mantle, but we do have a shelf or a bookcase or a china cabinet or anything of that sort that you would like to decorate and reveal, you upload your video and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Remember that this video is a part of a collaboration, and again, it's called the Cozy Fall Mantle, Decorate With Me. So let me tell you who's hosting. Now hosting this collaboration is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. At Home with Lisa. We have Design with Emma. We have Debbie Bubbles. Jennifer at Home. Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. Z9 Designs. Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Decorating with Jazzy Green. And Deborah Cabasa, Home Living. Now, as in all collaborations, we follow YouTube etiquette. Don't forget to use the hashtag CozyMantle24 so that I can find your video and add you to the playlist. Now, let's go have some fun, guys. Now you see these absolutely gorgeous apothecary jars, and inside of them are pine cones. I finally got that right. I've been saying acorns all along, but they're pine cones. And I fill them up in those. I just got right from one of the parks in the area. Now I have already decorated these tier trays for the fall, and so I'm just going to go ahead and add those. So we have the same thing going on either side of the shelf. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and finish decorating this, and I cannot wait for you to see the end result. Now always remember to head on over to my community tab, where there I have the calendar of collaborations for the month. So I definitely decorated this whole back wall between gifted items, thrifted items, and all of the Dollar Tree items, and the florals themselves all came from Dollar Tree. I think this table came out absolutely amazing. All right, so I'm pretty much done over here. We're gonna head on over to the reveal shortly. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank everyone who hosted in this collaboration, along with any participants that joined in. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.